target namin is actually to offer different types of chips. So hindi siya yung salty, and then yes, totoo yung we reduce the amount of salt, and then we really provide another flavor available in the market. 'Di ba yung nakasanayan natin parang mga salt, vinegar, spicy,
Yeah, yeah.
gano'n. Tapos
Sour
yung mga
cream,
sour cream, parang gano'n. Pero
barbecue,
we
cheese.
want to offer fruit flavored na mga chips.
Mm. How do you make the fruit flavor? How do you add that fruit flavor?
Okay. We add part of the components in making the chips. We add the content, and then in addition, we also create a coating which has the flavor of
Mm.
the target tropical fruit.
Oh. So, aside instead na potato chip, puwede siyang may squash
Mm.
and puwede rin na siya na may fruit na rin, 'no?
Pero yung squash tsaka sweet potato, yun yung base ingredient na to
Mm.
create the chips.